financial scam that has happened in Margao, where people have lost up to 50 crores to one Kamashi Forex Private Limited. Now, I did a search of Kamashi Forex in the company registrar website, wherein all the registered companies you can basically search based on the name. Now, I did not find Kamashi Forex Private Limited. There is one Kamashi Recruitment and Training Private Limited, Kamashi Share Service Private Limited, Sugar and Agro, Kamashi Textiles, Kamashi Exotic Foods, but there is no Kamashi Forex Private Limited. So that means that this company is not registered as a private limited. The government has to check, has to investigate this matter. The larger issue here is Goa has been plagued by such financial scams for many years, whether it is multi-level marketing or hotels which are posing as banking, which are providing banking services in the name of taking money as packages. But what is the solution? There is one act what the government is conveniently ignoring. It is called the Goa Interest of Depositors Act, which is a very old act. It was a central act that was all the states have implemented. It's a 1999 act. Although this case, which Kamashi, since it is not a private limited, can be brought under the Interest of Depositors Act. What are the powers? The authority, the competent authority has the powers to seize all his assets. So all these flats and shops they are raiding, they have to be seized at once. And all the assets of his partners and whoever have been involved, they have to be seized. Now, this is an old act. Let me be very clear that if at all it was a private limited registered, you could not bring it under this act. As Congress party, if at all we come into power, will ensure that these amendments are put in place so that Goans are protected from any Ponzi scheme or any of these financial schemes, so that justice can be served as fast as possible. This case people cannot afford to go on for years fighting this case. Election, there is time. I would urge the current government to look into these amendments.